Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing WritingGram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website, www.writinggram.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your essay. Whether it's a research paper, an argumentative essay, or a creative writing assignment, our expert writers are ready to tackle any topic. You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom-written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well-researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism. Our team consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various fields. They are knowledgeable, skilled, and passionate about delivering top-quality essays that will impress your professors. We understand the importance of deadlines. With WritingGram, you can say goodbye to late submissions. Our writers are committed to delivering your essay on time, every time. Got a question or need assistance? Our friendly customer support team is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have. We're here to ensure your experience with WritingGram is seamless and hassle-free. Don't let the stress of academic writing bring you down. Join thousands of satisfied students who have turned to WritingGram for their essay writing needs. Visit our website, www.writinggram.net today and take the first step towards academic success.
As you have seen from the preview, Whiteboard explainer videos are videos whereby text and images are animated over a whiteboard background. So in this, the tools I'm going to use, the tool that I'm going to use to animate our video is VideoScribe from Sparkle. As you can see from the screen, it is a premium tool, although you can try it for free. It is a tool that is very effective, so you feel free to take advantage of their free trial to try it out. I obtained the vector images from all-free-download.com, and I generated the voiceover from app.animaker.com. Animaker is an online tool or service whereby you can generate a voiceover from text. So the very first step in creating a Whiteboard explainer video is coming up with the script. As you can see, I do have a script on the screen whereby on the opening scene, a whiteboard reviews a stressed out student surrounded by a pile of books and papers. So a little background there. You have seen the preview. So there's the Whiteboard explainer video to market a writing service, I say writing service, not known as WritingGram. So the script basically has the scene and the narrator. And now to generate the voiceover now from Animaker, I just pick the text from the narrator into one. I put it into one continuous block, and then I just copy paste it to the animaker.com. You might be wondering why www.writinggram.net is written in this manner. This is to make it easier for the app, the Animaker, which is an artificial intelligence, to be able to pronounce the www.writinggram.net properly. So in case you're interested in learning how to generate voiceovers from Animaker and to edit text into voiceover, then let me know in the comments and we can cover that video in a future video. So I have put all the files that I am going to use for this explainer video in one folder, and I have my VideoScribe open. So now I'm going to get started on creating this video. So the very first step is to, as our script says, the opening scene is a whiteboard reviews a stressed out student. So I'm going to import that. So get our stressed out student, this one right here. So once you import the image, you get the option of whether to draw, moving, or fading. So I think I should probably we are going to try the three options for you to just get an idea of what they mean, and then you also get an option to either reveal or sketch. So I'm going to start with draw and reveal. So if I put it there and then I come here and play, you can see the revealing is it's like painting over the image. I don't want animation to zoom in when it ends, so I am going to play it again, and then I'm going to uncheck this zoom at the end here, so that it can play without zooming. As you can see, the zooming effect is now gone. So now this is revealing, so I am going to delete this, and then I'm going to import the same image, but now without revealing but with drawing. So I'm going to import that. So now I pick the sketching option and I import it. Now I play it again. As you can see now, sketching is now like sketching the image rather than like scratching to reveal it like it was before. So personally, I usually prefer sketching as opposed to revealing. So now if you want to there are some options. Once you import your image into the whiteboard background, so you can see we have some options here. There is to set the camera. You can set the camera in different angles. Like for instance, let me import something new. For instance, just pick the logo here. Now it was just going to zoom into this, and I'm going to start again to play from here. Now you can see that camera movement. So for instance, basically these images are different sizes at the moment. Like for instance, and then our camera, it's not it's currently not set. It's currently not set. You have not checked this one. So like for instance, we move that one there, and then I can start coming to play again. I see like there is that movement of the camera. So basically to ensure that where you set the image, it's where it remains. It's always good to basically to set this camera so that it can be fixed in that location. For instance, again, let us play one more time. You can see that our image zooms in. It zooms in, and then this other one also zooms in. What if you want it to remain zoomed out? So for instance, I come and set the camera at there. So I click this camera with the check button there, and then again I come and also I also want to set this one so that it cannot be zoomed in. So I also check it. I check the camera to set the camera position at that point when it is zoomed out. So now if I come now and start playing from here, you can see now the LE digital has not been zoomed in. It has remained at that position, zoomed out position. That's what it means to set the camera. Okay, we have the option of locking an element. Basically, locking an element to ensure that you, for instance, do not move it by accident. So you can see it is locked. So now it can't be disturbed. You can move the canvas, the background, but for instance, you cannot be able to delete the image by accident, or primarily you cannot be able to delete the image by accident, or change any other setting by accident, or even to primarily to change, to delete, that is by accident. Even if I click the delete button on the keyboard, I do get the prompt to delete, but it cannot be deleted by accident. And you can see now the delete button here. Again, I get the prompt, but you cannot be able to it is basically keeping it safe. So that is by locking. We have the option of editing. This is now editing your settings or your options. So for instance, if I change from drawing to moving in, and then I choose the direction, like I wanted to move from the top to bottom, and then I save, and then I play from here. You can see now the image has been moved in with the hand. It has not been sketched. So let's get back there and see the other option that we have there. So smooth, full color, moving in. You can select the drawing hand here. Let's try no hand, see what will happen. Then I play. You can see now the image moves in on its own. It's like it's flying without the hand dragging it in. What other options do we have? Can seal out, basically. Just preview the seal out. Basically just turns it black. Yeah, full color. It's in full color right now. So what do we have for the outline? Nothing has changed for that one. And note that our image country is I think it's a JPG. It's not a vector, an SVG. An SVG gives you more options in terms of editing on the outline, full color, and seal out than an image. And you can change, if you have an image, you can change it into a vector using another tool known as Inkscape. Again, if you want to know how to do that practically, let me know in the comments, and we can cover that video in the future. So now down here we have options. We have time for animation, we have a pause, we have a transition. So what do this mean? So for instance, the animation time, the 3 seconds is the time that the image takes to animate, basically that movement or that sketching. So if I come and play again, it has taken this image 3 seconds to slide from the top to the position where it is settles or where it stops. So let me go back to option to drawing. Then if I put this, for instance, to 0.5 seconds, you'll see that it will draw very fast. So flipping here, see, okay, yeah, it has not shown the hand because we have moved back to sketching without the hand. So let us again select a hand. How do we go with? Let us go with this one. That we save that. Then again play from here. You can see it has drawn very fast, which is not ideal. And then again, remember these movements are supposed to be in sync with the voiceover. The voiceover that or the background. If you are using a voiceover, they're supposed to be in sync with the voiceover, and they're also supposed to be long enough to pass the message. If a sketch takes 0.5 seconds, then it is too fast to send any meaningful message. So you pause. A pause is what a pause basically occurs before it's a pause between the current image and the animation for the next image. For instance, let me just drag this apart. So I want to move it, so let me just first and check the camera position, and then I check it at that point. I want there to be a gap between the two. Actually, I'd prefer want it to be on the white bed on its own. So and check the camera position at that point. So now I can play. So now it has moved to the other one. So that there is that pause between from the time the first image finishes animation and the time the second image starts. So that is the pause. That is the 0.5 seconds. If I make it longer, then it might be more noticeable. So maybe I can put 1.5 seconds, and then again I play. So you can see there's the 1.5 seconds. There's that pause, and then so one more time, a pause of 1.5 seconds. Then the transition time is the time it takes to transit from the first image to the second one. For instance, again, you can see as the screen moves to the left from the first image to the second image, that there's that transition of 1.0 second. So let me play again. You can see that transition right there. So let me now remove it so that you can note the difference. So I didn't mean to play, I meant to remove the transition and set it to 0. Then I play. So there is that pause. You saw the pause, but you did not see the sliding from left, from right to left, basically from the first image to the second one. That effect of sliding is now not noticeable because you have set the transition to 0. So if I remove the pause and the transition is 0, then it will be I think it will be more obvious. You can see right from the first to the second one image instantly, without a pause and without a transition. So now I am going to remove this. Okay, now there is this eye. This eye is for either when you want to hide an element, it is on the board, but you don't want it to be displayed when the video is playing. For instance, if I come and put that as hidden, it remains down here, but now if I come and play, you won't be able to see. Okay, let's check that again. Yeah, it is unchecked. Is it still unchecked? Yes, still unchecked. So let's play again. I don't know why it is turning itself on. Not very sure about that. That is not the right. So yeah, so not can't be seen. I'm not very sure about that. I'm not very sure why it is behaving in that manner, because it should not be displayed. You should not be able to see it when the video is playing, when you hide it on the timeline. So now let us get now into the let us now start creating our video. So I'm going to remove that to have a blank canvas. Then I'm going to import this was supposed to be our first scene. Just going to expand it. I'm going to set the camera position at that. Let me just confirm that it is drawing and not revealing. Awesome. Then at this point now I'm going to import our voiceover. So I'm going to import a voiceover. Should be it is.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life?
Right, so how long is this first video playing for? Now 3 seconds, so let's play it again.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling?
So that is the first scene over. Then the second scene is meant to be company logo, so I'm going to import that. I think it's already here. Set the camera. Again, I'm going to play from.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Graham.
Alright, so now you see now our voiceover is too slow, or our animations are too fast in relation to relative to the voiceover. So I am going to increase the animation time for the first ride to double, that is 6 seconds from 3 seconds. And then I'm going to reduce the transition. I want it to be 0 down that sliding effect. Then maybe put the pause at 1 second. And then I'm going to play.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing.
Okay, so that's good. But now the animation is taking too long before one can see the stressed student. So probably I'm going to increase the pause to 3 seconds and then reduce this again to 3 seconds. And
are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essays.
Right. So probably make that 3.5 seconds. Alright, then for the Writing Gram, this one 3 seconds, I think that's okay. The transition to be 0, pause of 1 second. I'm gonna save that.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing.
Right, so I'm going to introduce our third scene. That scene is meant to be visitor is afraid, so that is going to be a text. So I'm going to add a text. Probably going to use what font do we have? Candela. Probably go with Cormorant. So HTTP. No, just go with www.writinggram.net, like that. I want it to be bold. Okay, let's just go with bold. So then I'm gonna save that. I'm just going to increase it. Just put it there in the middle. Gonna set the camera position, and I'm going to set 2.2 seconds on the transition to be 0, pause of 1. Let's see. So,
are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website,
Alright, I feel like I should add like something in between. Probably this looks very plain. Maybe let me just reduce this to 2 seconds, or just 3 seconds, then 2 seconds. We have a pause of 1 second. Then I'm going to introduce some text. Just going to introduce regular. Tight deadlines. Change the color to LED. I'm going to twist it like that, just put it there. Have the camera position, then give it a second. I don't need a pause, don't need a transition. So right, tight deadlines. Maybe let me just duplicate this. I should lock the first one. I should lock that. Then I'll lock this. Then I want to duplicate this. So where's the duplicate? Let me just use Control. I'm on Windows, so I'm using Control C and Control V. Now move this to the side, and then I'll just rotate it. So the camera position there. I'm going to change to can I change this to, let's call it just the difficult concepts. Difficult concepts. Time is still 1 second. That's right. Deadline, difficult concepts. Right. Let's.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life?
So I can add that one to B. So Control C and Control V on Windows. Then this one. So change this to, there's too many assignments. Too many assignments. All overwhelming assignments. Overwhelming assignments. I'm gonna save that. Okay, I can reduce it. That defeats that too much struggle. Overwhelming assignments. Let's just put it straight over here. Overwhelming assignments like that. So come and save that position.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing right.
So I'm going to introduce a pause at this point. 1.5 seconds. Save that. Then let us preview.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing writing gram.
Alright, so just 1 more seconds. 1 more second, oh not there. 1 more second on the pause. Maybe 2.5 seconds.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing writing gram. The ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and...
Right, so I want to do this to maybe 1.5 seconds, like that. I want to play for
Find
you.
yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing writing gram. The ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service.
Alright, so I'm going to include seconds there. 2 seconds animation, 2 seconds pause.
Find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing writing gram. The ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website, www.
Alright, again I feel that there's something is missing. Just play again for me.
Find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing writing gram. The ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academics.
Alright, so I'm going to introduce, I'm going to push it that way. Then I'm going to put a transition, maybe 0.5 seconds, and introduce some text. Alright, first let me set this position. That, then gonna say reliable. Reliable professional. What other term can we use? So it's reliable, professional. So what term do agencies usually use? See, affordable. Yes, because they are affordable. So they are reliable, they are professional, and they are affordable. And their services are high quality, so high quality services. So I'm gonna add that right there. So the camera position, and then should be around for 3 seconds. No transition. 2.5 seconds and a pause of 1 second. And I'm going to save that and preview. Just play from
Find
here.
yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website.
So I'm going to increase the animation time to 4 seconds, so that the www.writinggram.net part can sync better with the voiceover.
Find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website.
So I'm going to increase the pause after writing. Pause of 2 seconds. So let's play it again.
Find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of academic life? Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website.
Right. So now I need to move this a little bit to the side. I don't want it to be seen from the previous slide as it was being seen there.
Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website.
So we move this way, and then we forgot to set the camera. So and set I set it there. So let's play.
Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website, www.writinggram.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your...
Alright, so I'm going to increase the animation time maybe to 4.5 seconds. And again.
Visit our user-friendly website, www.writinggram.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your essay, whether it's a research paper, an argumentative essay.
Alright, so the next slide should be some of the type of papers that Writing Gram offer. So to say so the ones that are being mentioned in the voiceover have a research paper, argumentative paper, then you have creative writing assignment, and then types, academic papers, like that. So we'll say this to medium. Then I'm gonna save that too. Then see, there's nothing else. This scene I'm going to increase the size, and then I have misspelled writing, so I have to remove 1G. Just come here and edit, move that G, like that. And we set the seconds, start with 5. I'm going to move the transition, pause to 1 second, or maybe 1.5 seconds. Then going to save that, and I'm going to play from here.
With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website, www.writinggrand.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your essay. Whether it's a research paper, an argumentative essay, or a creative writing assignment, our expert writers are ready to tackle any topic. You can then sit back.
Right, so I'm going to increase the pause here to 2 seconds, and I'm going to increase the animation period for this one, as well as the pause, 2.5 seconds, like that. I'm gonna save that, and then I'm gonna play from here.
With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website, www.writinggrand.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your essay. Whether it's a research paper, an argumentative essay, or a creative writing assignment, our expert writers are ready to tackle any topic.
So
You can then sit back.
note that it's much better if you create a white video that can communicate without somebody having to listen to the voiceover. So here I'm going to come back here, and then I'm going to add, like, because what is it that is reliable, professional, and affordable. So I'm going to add a title up here and say that you come first, that our essays are like that. This is going to be bold, and then I'm going to put it right there. So reliable, and I'm going to put an animation of 1.5 seconds, like that, and I'm gonna save that. Then I'm also going to set that camera position, and right here it's going to be, what has happened, research paper, yeah. So I'm also going to put a heading over here to come before the, so the type of essays that we write. I'm gonna say that bold, gonna save that, then I'm gonna drag it up here and increase it in size, like that. I'm gonna set the camera position as well as the timing, from 1.5 seconds. Pause for a second, and we don't want any transition. And I'm gonna save that. I'm going to play from here.
Introducing Writing Gram, the ultimate solution to all your essay writing needs. With our reliable and professional service, we're here to help you achieve academic success without the stress. Visit our user-friendly website, www.writinggram.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your essay. Whether it's a research paper, an argumentative essay, or a creative writing assignment, our expert writers are ready to tackle any topic. You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom written essay that meets your specifications.
Right, so I need to check the next scene. So right here. So you can then sit back and relax. So the student should be relaxed. So first I want to reduce the animation time for this because it was slow relative to the voiceover. Put that to 4 seconds. Now it's fuzzy for 4 seconds. So I'm going to play it from here.
www.writinggram.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your essay. Whether it's a research paper, an argumentative essay, or a creative writing assignment, our expert writers are ready to tackle any topic. You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic.
Right, so the next scene is sitting back and relaxing. So let me get that. So back and relax. So this guy is dancing. So do I want to draw him or do I want to reveal him? Let me go with the reveal this time. Like a painting, because it does look like a painting. So I'm going to increase in size. Oops. Right, that's not good. So let me just draw that way. Drag that, then I'm going to set the camera here. That point, then animation. Let's go with the 3 seconds. Pause of 1 second. So let's play from
Whether
here.
it's a research paper, an argumentative essay, or a creative writing
First, I
assignment.
think I need to reduce the times to take to types of essays. Remove the pause, save that.
www.writinggram.net, and provide us with all the necessary details for your essay. Whether it's a research paper, an argumentative essay, or a creative writing assignment, our expert writers are ready to tackle any topic. You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom written essay that meets.
Alright, so on the painting to be faster, so let's do it in 5 seconds and increase the pause period. So play from there.
An argumentative essay, or a creative writing assignment, our expert writers are ready to tackle any topic. You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom written essay that meets your specifications.
Alright, so the next scene is so well research, properly formatted, free of plagiarism. So I'm going to create a list of that. So I'm going to add text here and say essays are change the font, set that to bold. Yes. Essays are, set the camera position there. this to be like 1.5 seconds with a pause of 0.5 seconds. Then going to add some more text. So this is researched. Researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism. So plagiarism free. Going to change the font, set to medium. I'm gonna save that and increase it in size. Use this one in size 2, like that. I'm gonna say the camera position and the seconds. I should draw for probably 3 seconds. Let's try 3.5 with a pause of 1 second. Then I'm gonna save that. Let's play it from here.
You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism.
Alright, so let's see, this was 1.5 second. From that 1 second with a pause of 1 second. And I'm going to increase this to 5 seconds. Pause of 1.5 seconds. It's going to, okay, let's first play from here.
You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work them.
Alright, so I can increase the animation to maybe 2.5 seconds and play.
You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic.
Alright, that was too slow. Go 2 seconds.
You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom written.
Okay, the pause was too long. Just go with 1 second.
You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom.
So if I go with 1 second there and 2 seconds pause.
You can then sit back and relax while our talented writers work their magic. You'll receive a custom written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism. Our team consists of experienced writers.
Alright, so now first save that and go to the next thing. Supposed to be team of professionals. So I'm going to import the team of professionals from our files. It should be this. So I'm gonna sketch this. I'm going to increase it in size. Like that. Then I'm gonna set the camera position there. Let me just leave the default, so increase the pause and move the transition. And I'm gonna play from here.
Custom written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism.
So let me add a few options here. Say custom. So I'm going to increase the number of seconds it takes to draw to 6 seconds. Then sketching. This does not look so good being drawn, so I'm going to set it to sketch. So I'm just going to make it morphing. So I need to add, so for morphing So I'm going to, morphing is basically like something like growing from another image. It's like yeah, just like the words mean, morphing in from another image. So first I'm going to set this to 0 equals to 0. I'm going to set everything for this to 0. Then I'm going to make it invisible by setting its visibility to 0, like that. So that's all right, 0. Then I'm going to save that. Okay, so okay, I cannot. So I'm just going to, that should be moving like that. I'll basically draw, but it should be invisible. Then I'm going to duplicate it, and then it should be small because I want it to move in from small to big. So the first one should be small. Then I'm going to import the same object, the same image, sorry. Then I'm going to put it in increase its size. So the previous one will morph into this one. And I'm going to set to morph. Come for like 1 second, compose for 1.5, transition should be 0. It should morph from the previous one that we set to visibility of 0. And I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna set the camera position, save this too, then going to play from here.
Work their magic. You'll receive a custom written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism.
So I need to increase the number of seconds for animating this one. Let's try 7.5 and pause for 2 seconds. So let's play from here.
Custom written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism. Our team consists of experienced...
Right, so just 1 more second of animation and pause, and I think 5 and 3 seconds, and I think that should be fine. Then I'm going to increase the animation this to like 2.5 seconds of morphing. So let's play from here.
Custom written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism. Our team consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various fields. They are knowledgeable.
Right, so that morphing effect has not shown up. So it goes win 0.210. It's okay. Let's see the settings for this one. It's morphing from here 100%. Right, because it might be an image. So let me try to find a vector just to show you how morphing works. So I'm going to find an SVG, that is, instead of just find this. I believe this is an SVG. So the first one, I'm going to set this to 0 in terms of visibility. I don't want it to be visible. So that's 0. I think that should be 0. I'm gonna save that. I'm going to reduce it in size like that. I'm gonna set the camera. Then I'm going to introduce same image, this time bigger. I'm going to set the camera, and then I'm going to set it to morph from a previous image, which is this one. Second, let me just save that like that. I'm gonna play for
Consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various fields. They are knowledgeable, skilled,
yeah, so now
and
this is the
passionate about
morphing
delivering
effect.
top-quality
Comes
essays
from
that will
small
impress your
to,
professors.
so the morphing effect that it grows from a small size to a big one, like it's morphing in. So I believe this previous one failed to morph in because it's not an SVG. It is an image. Maybe there's an opportunity for me to show how to quickly show how to develop to generate an SVG from an image. So I'm opening Inkscape. I mean, I can remove this because we don't need this. So this was just for demonstration purposes. Although I do actually can use it for as the team. Yeah, I can use it. Yeah. So yeah, first. So I'm going to import that image that you want to convert to an SVG. So Whiteboard video files, was this one 14. Going to import it here. Oopsie. Too big. So I'm going to reduce it in size. Right. So I'm going to trace its bitmap on the path. So trace bitmap. It will be in color. Want to remove background and stack the scans. I cut it off with scan. Going to update that. Say okay. Oopsie. So to remove the top one. Let's see which one is which. Right, so let me delete the top one. I'm going to export. Going to export. I want to export. Let's try it now. I want to save. Do you have option for SVG? Yeah. So I'm going to save as an optimized SVG. Let me save it. So Whiteboard video files, team, SVG. I'm gonna save that. I think it has saved. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to come and replace this. Going to replace the image. Upload a new one. There's team SVG. Something. I'm also going to replace this other one with SVG. Now let's see if it's going to act to morph.
Consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various fields.
So it seems like we did not do that properly. So I shall be coming back to how to create an SVG from an image in a future video, and there is enough time to do that. But first I'm going to leave that one there. Just preview it again and see how it
consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various
fields. So I'm going to replace this image with what we used in the previous, in the demonstration for morphing. So I'm going to use this because it's also a team. So I'm also going to replace this image as well. That one. And I'm going to increase to reduce. Okay, let me. Oops. So I think it looks better that way. Let's set the camera position and play from here.
Custom written essay that meets your specifications, delivered right to your email inbox. Our writers will ensure your essay is well researched, properly formatted, and free of plagiarism. Our team consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various fields.
So I'm now going to reduce the animation time for the morphing. I want it to be fast, like let's try 0.5 seconds.
Consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees.
Right, so let me try a second. That.
Consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various fields. They are knowledgeable, skilled, and passionate about delivering top quality essays that will impress you.
Alright, so the next scene is so knowledgeable, skilled, and passionate. So let me add that. So drag this on the side and knowledgeable. Was knowledgeable, skilled, and passionate. Set to medium. Can save that. And remember, as I say, that you want somebody who is not listening to the voiceover to be able to tell what is going on. So I'm going to add a title that says our staff is that. It should be medium, bold. So our staff is, I'm going to set the camera position. I'll put that to 1.5 seconds, pause of 0.5, that's alright. This one should be probably 4.5 seconds, and a pause of 1 second. And I'm going to save that. I'm going to play from here.
Consists of experienced writers with advanced degrees in various fields. They are knowledgeable, skilled, and passionate about delivering top quality essays that will impress your professors.
So I'm going to reduce the animation time. I'll remove the pause and change the animation time to 0.5 seconds. To reduce the animation time for this to 3 seconds, a pause of 1.5. And I'm going to play from.
They are knowledgeable, skilled, and passionate about delivering top quality essays that will impress your professors. We understand the
Please pause to 2.5 seconds. And I'm going to go to the next scene, which is a clock with a check mark. Alright, we have a clock with a check mark. No, we don't. Right. So we don't have a clock with a check mark. What else can we use? Right, so let's see the script. So going to add here. So I'm just going to drag this way. Just use the circle. See. So they are always on time. Let me change the color of this to green. For color, where's the color? Try and change this to green. Same as this one. So I'll try and change color to green like that. Then it should probably take 5 seconds to draw. It should take 0.5 seconds. Then always on time. Can take 2.5 seconds. Pause off 2 like that. And I set the camera position. Then I can also probably also change this to green color. Oops. Where's the text? I want the text to be green. That is on time. Is that the thickest board available? Let's go for a board. Yeah, that's better. So it is on time. I'm going to save that. I'm going to put it from here.
They are knowledgeable, skilled, and passionate about delivering top quality essays that will impress your professors. We understand the importance of deadlines. With Writing Graham, you can say goodbye to late submissions. Our writers are committed to delivering your essay on time, every time. Got a question or need assistance?
Alright, so 1 second. Pause of 1 second. Is on time. 3 seconds. Pause. 3.5 seconds.
We understand the importance of deadlines. With Writing Graham, you can say goodbye to late submissions. Our writers are committed to delivering your essay on time, every time. Got a question or need assistance? Our friendly customer support team is available around.
Right, so next scene is the customer. We have a customer service here. Let's see. Nope. Okay, sorry, so let me get the headphones. So I want them to sketch and to create the size like that. I'm gonna set the camera, then animate for maybe 1.5 seconds. I don't want any pause. Then I'm going to introduce the chart icon in between, in the space between the headphones. So I can also want that to sketch. Going to import. So I also wanted to sketch, so that to sketch, then I'm going to put it right there like that. I'm going to set the camera and set that to 1.5 seconds with no pause. So I think they should come fast, so I'm going to drag it to the left like that. I'm going to play from
With
there.
Writing Graham, you can say goodbye to late submissions. Our writers are committed to delivering your essay on time, every time. Got a question or need assistance? Our friendly customer support team is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have.
Alright, so this is not a PNG, that's why. It's a JPG, so that's why, and it's not an SVG, so that's why you cannot be able to see the chat message. I have no choice but to drag this to interchange them, because I don't have the time to start changing to a PNG and so on.
With Writing Graham, you can say goodbye to late submissions. Our writers are committed to delivering your essay on time, every time. Got a question or need assistance? Our friendly customer support team is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have.
So, I think I'm not really sure about the customer service number. I'm going to check it, but just going to add the text for it here. That can drag that and say add a text that call us on, reach us on, then +1 4 5 6 7, just like that. Then I'm going to change that. I'm going to put the actual phone number once I get it, but that can act as a placeholder for now. Then I'm going to can drag this a little bit on the, okay, I think it's okay there. Just come here and put this on different lines like that. And I'm going to increase the size like that. Then I'm gonna set the camera, put this to like a second. I think that's okay. Then I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna play from here.
Got a question or need assistance? Our friendly customer support team is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have. We're here to ensure your experience.
So I'm going to also increase, put a pause here of a second. So increase the pause here to maybe 2 seconds. Then check the next scene, sorry. Alright, so.
Time. Got a question or need assistance? Our friendly customer support team is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have. We're here to ensure your experience with Writing Graham is seamless.
Alright, so now we are heading to the last scene. So here, so let me find a bunch of people. I think at this point I can use this one. Set the camera right there. Then I want it to fade in. I think should fade in like 0.5 seconds. Gonna save that. Gonna play from
Support
here.
team is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have. We're here to ensure your
first I'm going to increase the pause here with the additional second. 1.5 second, additional 1.5
Support team
second.
is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have. We're here to ensure your experience with writing Gram is seamless and hassle-free.
So I'm gonna reduce this to 3 seconds. And this one, I think just make it move in from the bottom. So
Support team is available around the clock to address any concerns you may have. We're here to ensure your experience with writing Gram is seamless and hassle-free. Don't let the stress of academic writing bring you down. Join thousands of...
So I think fine, I can add a transition of a second to move to this. And at this point I want the logo to close. I'm gonna set it there. I'm gonna set the camera at that point. Pause the transition. Okay, computer transition of 0.5 seconds because now I just want to eat into the seconds to match the voiceover. Then I'm going to add text here. Website www.writinggram.net. Email is support@writinggram.net. Phone is, I'm going to press the press order to identify the phone like that. Then I'm going to change the font type to this one. Send this to Whiteboard or to set it to medium like that. And set it right there. And I'm gonna set the camera. Put this to try 6 seconds. Pause of 3 seconds. No transition. And this one seconds. Right. I think that's okay. And I'm going to play from
We're here
here.
to ensure your experience with writing Gram is seamless and hassle-free. Don't let the stress of academic writing bring you down. Join thousands of satisfied students who have turned to Writing Gram for their essay writing needs. Visit our website, www.writinggram.net today and take the first step towards academic success.
Right, so probably add the animation to 7 seconds, suppose of 7 seconds. Then I'm going to add the tagline, which is the last thing. Tagline is a pathway to excellent grades. Like that. And add it there. Change to the font regular. I think that's okay. Then we put this to medium. Alright, I think it can stay there. Set the camera to maybe 5 seconds. Pause of a second. Should probably be a pause of 2 seconds, not 1 second. Like that. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to play from here.
Stress of academic writing bring you down? Join thousands of satisfied students who have turned to Writing Grant for their essay writing needs. Visit our website, www.writinggrant.net today and take the first step towards academic success.
Alright, so alright, so let's see. So now pause at this point, then put the pause at the closing. That for 1.5 seconds, pause for 3 seconds.
Students who have turned to Writing Grant for their essay writing needs. Visit our website, www.writinggrant.net today and take the first step towards academic success.
Alright, so let's remove the heading quote, to edit out that. And yeah, I think that's okay.
Today and take the first step towards academic success.
Right, so you can save that. So now let us now preview the full video.
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of assignments and essays? Do you find yourself struggling to keep up with the
I didn't know that there is a drag because of the
ultimate solution.
I didn't know that there is a drag because of the previous playing within the software, but once you export the video, then that drag won't be there. So it's important to note that.
Solution to all your essay writing needs with our reliable and professional service.
Okay, so actually I think I'm just going to export it because now the preview is not so smooth because of that drag. So now to export the video, just come here to download or publish scribe, then you choose download video, then you choose the type of video that you want. Is it a QuickTime movie, Windows, WMV, AVI, and so on. I'm going to go with QuickTime movie. Then I want full HD. There you can see the options available there. So I want it to be in full HD at a 25 frame rate. Then I'm going to save it as Lightingram, Whiteboard, explainer video, like that, and then it starts exporting. So yeah, so once it has completed exporting, I'll be attaching the exported video as a preview on this tutorial. Yeah, so thank you for sticking around this very long tutorial, and I hope you have learned something. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.